Hey guys, it's Daniel here. Today we're going to be talking about the new Element Max. So pretty much what I saw in this ball is that it sets up in the right spot of the lane all the time, and no matter how far left I got, it would always be the same result. And same thing when I move further back to the right to the friction. This ball is just amazing, and this is going to be the first ball out of my bag when I'm bowling on any type of heavier oil pattern. I thought I compared it to the reality, and this is it's a little earlier, but it slows down. It's not so strong off the back. So if you guys are looking for something that is strong in the front part of the lane and more controllable down lane, then the Element Max is like the perfect ball for you. So another thing about the Element Max that I really enjoyed was that it also had the NRG cover on it, which is the same cover as, like, for example, the Marvelous, the Proton Physics, and I really like those balls. So I really do think that this Element Max is going to be another favorite in my bag.
Welcome everybody, this is Pro Shop Ray. We're trying out the new Element Max for the 2024-2025 season. I recommend this ball on fresher patterns, longer patterns, maybe about 43 to about 47 feet. Best comparison to this ball is against my harsh reality. It's a little bit more smoother off the spot, but just as continuous as my harsh reality. The colors of this ball is very appealing as I see it go down the lane, as I see it go through the pocket. Brighter color balls tend to, you can see the break point a little better. I tend to use smoother balls when I'm playing more into the dry. This is definitely going to be my go-to heavy oil ball when my Element Pro is a little bit too smooth off the spot and I need something to finish a little bit harder into the oil.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Josh. We're going to be talking about the Element Max. Now, if you're looking for that ball and you are bowling on a house shot where you see that cliff of oil and there's just a puddle there and you can't get your ball to read properly, it's just going behind the head pin, leaving two pins, and leaving any types of light hit combinations, well, the Element Max is going to be a great ball for that. It's a ball that handles a lot of oil and volume, so if you're looking for something that's going to read in the mid lanes and be very continuous down lane and go through the pins, the Element Max is going to be that ball when you encounter all those types of lane conditions. Comparing the Element Pro to the Element Max, I saw the Element Pro be weaker overall, which forced me more right with my feet. The Element Pro went longer and didn't read the pattern as early as the Element Max. Considering that I'm bowling on 46 feet and 31 mils, the Element Max read this pattern perfectly.
Hey guys, this is Aaron, and this is the Element Max. This is the newest ball to release from Storm, and this ball is going to be replacing my gem. It's round, early, and controllable, and it's great for the fresh and heavier oil patterns. Right now, it looks great from the right, but it did struggle a little bit as soon as I moved deeper into the oil and further left. This ball is going to be the first ball out of my bag, and especially on the more challenging patterns. On the house shot here, it looks pretty good and will easily produce higher scores if the ball motion is good enough, which right now it is. The ball looks super pretty and has a lot of shelf appeal. This ball will be a great ball for most bowlers, and I see a lot of advantages of having this ball as it is early rolling and controllable. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.